Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to add Pioneer account in Upwork. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further video. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. And when you have opened the web browser, you just have to type Upwork and the Upwork will be open. So when you open the Upwork, you just have to log in, and after logging in completely and successfully, this is the interface that is shown to you. And on the top right corner, there is an icon. So if you hover around it, it will show account settings. So you just need to click on it. And as you can see, there is a setting option. So you just click on the setting option and the settings will be opened successfully. And on the left hand side, under the user settings, there is a get paid option right below the profile settings. Just click on the get paid option. It will take a few seconds according to the internet connection in order to open it successfully. So when the get paid option is open, you just have to scroll down and see about the interface and the things that is shown here. So here is the option to add a method, same here and same here as well. So you can just add a method, and there is a option of Pioneer. So you can just click on the setup in the Pioneer, and you can just do everything that they have asked you to. Firstly, you just have to re-enter the password of the Upwork, and you can connect the Pioneer account with the Upwork. So this is how you can add Pioneer account in Upwork. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.